the support I get to try things and just go for it, it just comes down to I literally get to discuss with leaders and with my peers of what these ideas are and get their buy-in and get their feedback. So I'm able to share ideas, and I've got a team and leaders that will work with me to just push it forward.
When I started at INNERGY, I came from a corporate learning role, and I went right into the marketing department, which was not something I was familiar with. And my executive leader saw something in me that I wasn't even sure if I saw in myself, and gave me new opportunities. And she said to me, you know, I don't care if you don't have the technical expertise, you have the drive and the grit to get the job done. And that was really great way to give me more drive to move forward and try new things and get to exceed in my role.
Culture in INNERGY is 100% supportive towards the growth and being listened, even having friendships. It's important part of feeling that you fit and feeling that you have meaningful relationships in work.